Hi, I'm Tom and I'm part of the marketing team here at EKM. Now in this video, I'm going to go over everything that got released on EKM during March. There have been lots of new and exciting updates, so if you are an EKM customer, stick around and watch the full video to make sure you keep up to date. Also, a quick little reminder to make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And also by clicking on the bell icon, you'll be notified when we upload these monthly update videos so that you can easily find your way back. So the first update is the Save Cart for Later is now available on all EKM plans. So the Save for Later cart feature allows your customers to save cart items to a list. This is now available to all EKM shop owners, and you can read more about this by clicking on the link in the description. We have improved and conducted a performance boost to the existing categories modal in Discount Manager. Now this means everything you need will load much faster, creating a better experience whilst you're running your EKM online shop. Next up is a new View Shop button which has been added. So a new View Shop button has been added to the sub navigation. This will allow you to quickly access your shop from anywhere in the platform. If you are logged into your test shop, then you will be taken to your test shop instead. We have also introduced a What's New section. So we have released a new notification center that you can access straight from your dashboard by clicking What's New in the sub navigation. Now this will allow us to provide you with instant updates, announcements, fixes and more, and let us collate feedback from EKM shop owners. There has also been a new status page update, so our team has been hard at work evolving our status page for EKM shop owners. Now this update shows different EKM systems and their statuses. You can also expand each section to show specific EKM services, and all of them include their uptime and current status. You can now subscribe to receive update emails if things change. To view the new status page, you can click the link in the description down below. We have also had some partner API improvements. So we have improved the performance of the partner API to partner integrations, which means any third-party integration will be running much faster. This is all to help your online shop run more smoothly. Next up is some test shop improvements. So we have also added a new distinctive banner to test shops so that you can tell at a glance whether you're viewing your test shop or your live EKM shop. Just another small evolution to the EKM platform to help you manage your shop much easier. And that's everything for April's platform update review. As always, we have more features coming to the EKM platform this month, so make sure you're following us across our social media platforms so that you're the first to hear about them. Now you can also view previous month's platform updates by visiting the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching.